And that's what they did. On 6th and 7th May, they strikes Pakistan on multiple locations. In these strikes, drone that came inside, the total casualties, there have been 33 shaheed, out of which there are 7 all civilians, 7 female and 5 children. There have been 62 injured, all civilians, out of which again there are 10 females and 2 children. And in military we have 14 injured. So these are the locations where they killed innocent civilians. 2 years old. These are these training camps. These are from where these, God forbid, you kill 2 years old and you celebrate it. Look at their media. It is shameful the way they are celebrating these strikes. I think it's first time that we have seen that you shamelessly are celebrating killing of children. You are thumping your chest. Yes, that we have killed this 2-year-old Urwa Zubair. And you are calling it a great national victory. 3 years old, Hawa Bibi. 4 years old, another 4 years old, another 5 years old. This 7-year-old boy, 12-year-old, this girl, this small baby. This is what happened on 6th and 7th of May. Please remember this when you talk about what's happening on ground and when you ask us that what Pakistan is going to do. Please remember these pictures. And they are thumping their chest. They are celebrating this killing of innocent. This is what they did to the mosques, to the places of worship. See the desecration of our Holy Quran. This is Murid Ke. This is the mosque that they bombed. See the Holy Quran. Tell me, please tell me, which religion allows this? Which humanity allows this? Which UN convention allows this? Which Geneva Convention allows this? Which human rights allow this? And you celebrate it. And you say we have done a great deed to the Indian people and we have done a great deed to the world peace by taking out mosques, by taking out innocent children, by desecrating Holy Quran. This is Bahawalpur. They came on the night of 6th and 7th. They killed the innocent children. They desecrated the Holy Quran. This is what they did. Once they came, our proud Air Force took them on. They came in large numbers. 5 of their aircraft was shot down. 3 Rafales, 1 MiG-29, 1 Su-30, 1 large combat UAV, multiple smaller UAVs. On the line of control, the Indians opened fire all along, indiscriminate fire, specifically targeting these civilians living on the Pakistan side of Kashmir. Specifically targeting the civilian populations. We have responded. We are continuously responding to this aggression. And we are only targeting the Indian military posts. We are being very careful because Pakistan, the state and its people and its armed forces do not believe in targeting innocent civilians. We have neither the culture nor our religion allow nor our morality allow that we target innocent people, that we target holy places.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।